Okay, so hi, welcome to my tutorial that isn't a tutorial. I'm just gonna start talking. I already was primed. I put on some concealer. It was Makeup Revolution. And I put on this new foundation I got from Juvia's Place. It's really thick, but I feel obligated to put on 2 layers because, I mean, if you're gonna be a fictional character, might as well have a fake face. That's what they do in the morning, I think. Here you see me making weird faces because I'm watching weird videos about, I think I was watching one about how cheese is made. Anyway, here's Jeffree Star concealer. I put it on my face, and here I'm putting on some powder. It's a white powder. I don't like solid powders, so I just shook it and crushed the shit out of it, and I'm just coating my face in it until I look like a ghost. Then right here, I'm just gonna attempt to do my eyebrows, and you'll see me struggle with this because my eyebrows are very naturally uneven, so most of this section of the video is just me looking really confused and disappointed. I'd like to point out that there's a fake little rose I've twisted onto my hedgehog's cage. I don't know, I just thought that was neat. Yeah, what the fuck do I say here? Now I understand why beauty gurus put their shit off camera when they do their eyebrows. Am I done? Oh, okay. I think I'm contouring. See, I don't usually contour, but I felt obligated to. I don't know why. I was feeling like it. It's a little contour palette my friend got me, and then I used a smaller one to make it darker. I don't do precision whatsoever, but I had to do little ones of the nose because it's the nose. Most of my nose contour looks like I have a very broken nose, like fucking a Teletubby just decked me in the face, so yeah, that's that. It doesn't even show up that much on camera, it doesn't fucking matter. I put some highlight, I think, on my Cupid's bow, and I used some concealer even though I powdered my nose. Why would I do that? That doesn't sit right on it. To highlight my nose area. And I'm putting on more highlight because the palette I use is old and it always rubs off. For my eyeshadow, I started with like a tone that was like my eyes, and I moved to a brown, and then I just fucking took bright neon yellow and just went straight into it, went to town. I started at my outer area and I went to the middle. And that's how I always do makeup. I have no duality. I took some like almost Cheeto colored orange, but like that one Cheeto that has like a quote unquote jalapeno cheese flavor and doesn't taste good whatsoever. It kind of just tastes like armpits. And for that I used the Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palette. I don't even like Jeffree Star that much. He just makes good shit. What I'm doing here is I have a eyeliner stick thingy. I put it on the back of my hand so that I could use a brush to rub it on. Why did I do that at first instead of just rubbing it on my eyes? I don't know, I'm fucking stupid. But yeah, I do that for a few minutes. And I line my upper lid with the black. And I don't know if I'm doing that here, but if I did it later, I end up doing the lower lash line with white. With the first wing, I fucked up a whole lot, and I just put concealer on it. It still looks like garbage, but what can you do? When life gives you lemons, just squirt them in your eyes and pretend it didn't happen. Wow, that makeup blended really nice, the orange and yellow. Anyway, so my eyeliner and my white stuff is on, and I have eyes, woo! I still look like a fucking egg though, because I don't have a wig on. I do this thing even when I'm not in cosplay where I put dark brown in the corners of my mouth and flick it upwards. I don't know why. Don't ask why I do it. I know e-girls also do it, but yeah, that was that. And then I put foundation on my lips so it could be light, and I put some pink in the middle. Seems counterproductive, I know. And I just put some gloss on. And from there, I have no fucking idea what I do, but it seems like I'm just going back, perfecting all the contours, just rubbing that shit. Where am I? Oh, okay, wait. Yeah, I put it on, and right here you see me adjusting it for like 25 years. because, you know, I got it pre-styled. And then here I'm getting some black craft foam and just looking at the shape of his hair thingy. And you don't see it in this video, but I just fucking got some purple glue stick and slapped that shit on, but I didn't film it, so that's the video. Thanks. Yeah. Merry Christmas.